In this video, I will explain you the hand sanitizer or hand soap system available in the market. Guys, this is the classic one. You need the key to open it. The key is here. You just need to put the key in this and the system will unlock. My big request to anyone who is planning to buy this machine, guys, please be careful. You need to make sure the key is at a safe place. If you forget things, please don't buy the key system. It can be a big chaos in the future. And guys, also you should not have the liquid soap with different flavor, as you need to have odorless for your restaurant for the staff. Now I'm going to the second one. Guys, this is the second one and the latest one. You can see the hand sanitizer and soap system. This is super easy to use and I would recommend any restaurant owner to have this one. You just need to click the button here and it will open. Super simple to use. It runs by C battery. You can see here it needs 4 batteries. You just need to put your hand below and the soap will come and you can wash your hands. It's super easy, and make sure guys you to have this system compared to the key system. If you forget keys, and this is much more easier for everyone to use. Thanks a lot for watching the video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks guys.